So in this video, we'll be going over a frequently asked question of how do I load G-code or DXF files into the myCNC software. And first of all, in order to do that, you must have a file that you're trying to open, and second of all, the file must be located in a folder that is accessible from within the myCNC software. And you can either use one of our default folders, or you can set up your own. And you can find a list of all accessible folders by going into your settings, configuration, preferences common, and then into the NC code folders section. So here you already have some default folders. On Ubuntu, those will be ~/DNC and ~/desktop/G-codes. And your tilde symbol allows you to basically not write out the entire home/username line. However, you can also use the full file path if you so desire. And these default folders will be obviously a little different on your Windows installations. So for Windows, they will be C:\DNC and C:\DNC/libs. And after you've either edited these default folders or you have added your own, you can press the Save Configuration button at the top right corner. So let's say you have done all that and you're trying to open a G-code file, however, you still don't see it in your list of available files in your accessible folder. If that's the case, typically what's happening is that you haven't listed the correct NC code file name extension, and this can also be done through the same settings window, so back in your Preferences Common tab. If you go into your Preferences Common and navigate to the NC code file name extension, you can see all the extensions that myCNC looks for while trying to open a G-code file. So by default, these will be something like your .nc or your .txt, and they're all listed right here. If your file is using an extension that's different from those, you can either add it at the very end of the list, or you can replace one of the extensions you're not actively using. After you have completed this step of the process, you can press the Save Configuration button again, navigate to your main screen, and open the file using your Open G-code file button.